Hi students, welcome to our online classes. Student, I hope all of you are fine. In previous chapter, we have studied about the before and after number. Yes or no, students? But today we are going to start a new chapter. Okay, that is numbers between. Okay, what do you mean by numbers between, and how we can identify the number or between the numbers of a given number strip. Okay, so before going to start about our numbers between students, I would like to give another example about that between the numbers, okay, or between the things. So let's here you see students. See student here, two girls are standing. Yes or no? This is the first girl. This is the second girl. Okay. Now someone is standing middle of the two girls. Okay. That boy is a boy. Okay. Who is standing middle. But middle of the two girls. Okay. See, observe very carefully. See, there is a one girl and there is a one girl. In between two girls, one boy is standing. That is called middle, and that middle boy is called between boy. Okay, between boy. Understood, students? That means between two girls. Between two girls, who is there? A boy is standing. Okay, a boy is standing. That we can say between numbers or between boys. That means, students, who is standing or who is sitting between the two numbers or two things, that is we can say between boy or between numbers. Now it is a boy, so we can say between the numbers, because the boy is standing middle of the two girls. Middle of the two girls. So who is the middle boy? So that boy we can say between the boy. Okay, between boy. Then between two girls, a boy is standing. That is called between boy. Like these students, we can identify the between numbers. Okay, between numbers. Then what do you mean by between numbers? Who is there, or what are the numbers are there between two given number? Okay, students. So let's start. I will give more example about the how we can identify the between numbers of a number strip. Okay, students. So let's start. I will draw first. This is a number strip. Yes or no? First I will start 0. That is 1. That is 2. 3, 4, this is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, we know this is called number strip. Okay, it is called number strip. Number strip. Number strip. Called numbers strip. Okay, first starting is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, for example, I take from 1 to 0 to 10 number. You can take 11, 12, 13 up to 100. Okay, it's not a problem. But for small example, I take from 0 to 10. Now students, we will identify the between numbers of a given any two number. Okay, let's start. I will ask, between numbers means, student, you have to remember middle number. Okay, it is a very short trick. You should remember middle number. If I will ask, who is sitting between the 3 and 5, I am asking students, which number is sitting between 3 and 5? So I am asking students, So student, I am asking which number is sitting in between 3 and 5. Okay, 3 and 5 means 3 and 5. Which number is sitting? See students, if I will hide the two numbers if I will hide 3 and 5. Which number is sitting in middle? That is 4. So that means 4 is sitting in between 3 and 5. Understood students? So like this student, 4 is sitting in between 3 and 5. Understood? So I can write 4 is sitting between 3 and 5. 3 and 5. So who is the middle number? 4 is the middle number of 3 and 5 because we are counting forward 3, 4, 5. After crossing 4 we are getting 5. So in between 3 and 5, see I gave arrow mark. In between 3 and 5 who is there? 4 is there. So 4 is called between the numbers or numbers between. Means between 3 and 5 who is sitting middle? 4. So 4 is number is called middle number or between numbers. Understood? Or we can say numbers between. Then who is sitting between 3 and 5? 4. Understood students? Let's another example we will take. Who is sitting between 7 and 9? See student, I am putting arrow mark. Okay? I am putting arrow mark 7 and 9. Who is sitting 7 and 9? Just simply example you can, if I will hide 7 and 9, which number is visible in middle? So it is 8. So 8 is sitting between 7 and 9. In between means I am putting arrow mark here student. Very carefully you observe 7 and 9, which number is there? 8 number. So 8 number we can say between number. Okay? These are the between numbers. Shortly n word done. Okay? That is called numbers. So 8 is sitting between 7 and 9. Who is there? 8 is there. Understood students? Another one we can write. So 8 is sitting. 8 number is sitting between 7 and 9. Understood students? So like this we can student identify the numbers between. Okay? So let's another example I will take students. See another example. If I ask who is sitting between 0 and 2? 0 and 2. Which number is sitting between 0 and 2? See, I am asking which number is sitting between 0 and 2. I am putting the arrow mark, you see. 0, I am starting from 0 to arrow mark and ending to 2. Okay? So, which number is in between 0 and 2? And I can say also which number is sitting middle of the 0 and 2. You can easily identify that is 1. So 1 is sitting in between 0 and 2. Why? Student, you see, when we are count number, when we will be going forward by counting the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. So after 0, which number will come? 1. After that 2 will come. So for 2 and for 0, who is the middle? 1 is the middle number, and that number we can say this is the between number. Okay students? Or we can say numbers between. Understood students? So that is called between numbers. So who is sitting between 0 and 2? Once again student, I repeat very carefully, you listen. Who is sitting or which number is sitting between 0 and 2? Okay? So 0 and 2 who is sitting? 1 is sitting. Okay? 1 is sitting. So I can write 1 is sitting between 1 is sitting. So 1 is a number. After 0, 1 will come, and before 2, 1 will come. So 1 is the middle number of 0 and 2. So that one number is called between the numbers. Okay, or we can say numbers between. Okay, understood students? How I told you, I explained about these two figures. Between two figures or between two girls, one boy is standing. That is called between boys. So between two girls, that boy is standing. So this is the middle boy, middle position. That boy is standing. So that we can say between numbers. Or a boy is sitting, or a boy is standing between the two girls. Okay, so that one we can say between boys. Like this, students, these are the between numbers, or we can say numbers between. Okay, who are the between two numbers of a given numbers? Like this, students, we can identify another by taking another example. Students, see, if I ask who is sitting in between 4 and 6, okay, which number is sitting in between 4 and 6? Don't think about it. Now you think about 4 and 6. 4 and 6, students. 4 and 6. Which number is sitting in between 4 and 6? Which number? Very good. That is 5 is sitting in between 4 and 5. So 5 we can say middle number, or we can say between the numbers. Okay. Between 4 and 5, 5 is sitting. So 5 is sitting between 4 and 6. So like this, student, we can write 5 is sitting between 4 and 6. Okay. So 4 is the between numbers, or numbers between. Understood, students? Any doubt? I hope all of you understood like this. So like this, student, we can identify between numbers of any given street. Yes or no? For example, more example I will give you now. Just see. It is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? This is a number stream 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is a number stream, students. Now I would like to ask some other examples. 3 dash 5. I am asking question, who is the, find the between the numbers 3 and 5. So who is the, find here, find between numbers, okay, between numbers find. So who is sitting 3 and 5? Who is say 3 and 5? 3 and 5, who is sitting? 4, very good. So 4 is sitting between 3 and 5. 3 and 5, middle who is there? 4. So this is called between the numbers, or numbers between. So some other example. 7 and 9. 7 and 9, who is sitting? 7 and 9. Students, look at very carefully. 7 and 9. Who is there? 8 is there. Okay? 8 is there. 7 and 9, who is the between number? 8. So these are the between numbers. Another example, student. Who is sitting 0 and 2? Who is number is there? I am hiding 0 and 2 number. So who is there? 0 and 2, 1 is there. Okay. So 0 and 2, 1 is there. So 1 is the middle number, or we can say between numbers. Understood, students? So like this we can identify more between the numbers or numbers between. Okay students, of a number strip, or by counting forward we can identify the between numbers. Okay students, or numbers between. Always you have to count forward from your left side. 3, 4, 5. So 4 is the correct answer. 7, 8, 9. So 8 is the correct answer, or 8 is the between numbers, or 8 is the middle numbers. 0, 1, 2. We are going by counting forward. Okay. We are going forward by counting numbers. So 0, 1, 2. So that is called 1 is the correct answer for between number between 0 and 2. Understood students? So like this we can identify more numbers between. Okay. So let's start more example. I will give you. So like this student, if I will ask who is sitting, or which numbers are sitting between 1 and 5. Okay students, very carefully observe this question. Which number are there between 1 and 5? Between 1 and 5. See student, between 1 and 5 which numbers are there? Can anyone tell me which numbers are visible to you between 1 and 5? So 3, 4, 5. Sorry, 2, 3, 4. So in between 1 and 5, which numbers are there? 2, 3, 4. So 2, 3, 4 are sitting between the 1 and 5 numbers. Okay students, so these numbers are middle of the 1 and 5 numbers. See student, when I am asking between the numbers, you can hide these two numbers, 1 and 5. So which number are visible to you? You can see these numbers are called between numbers. Okay. So we can write 2, 3, 4 are sitting between 1 and 5. Understood student? So 1 and 5 which numbers are there? 2, 3, 4, 5. How will you identify? Another example, same question. How will you ask it here? See, it is 1. Here 3 box, and I will say 5, and fill in the blanks. And which numbers are will be sit in between 1 and 5? So students, so like this we can say, for in between 1 and 5, which numbers are sitting? 1 and 5, that is 2, 3 and 4. And 2, 3, 4 are the between numbers. Okay. So here example see, here 1 is given, there is 3 dash is given, and 5 is given. Means he is asking what are the numbers in between 1 and 5. In between 1 and 5. See 1 and 5. So what are the numbers? I told you that is 2, 3, 4. Okay. There is a way, there is a trick to how we can identify the between numbers. So I told you before, we have to count forward. So 1 is given, so 2, that is 2, 3, 4. So 2, 3, 4 are the between numbers, or numbers between 1 and 5. Understood students? So like this we can take more examples to find out the between numbers. Understood students? So let's take more examples. If question will ask, find out the between number between 6 and 10. Find out between or numbers between 6 and 10. Okay, once again I am telling, find the numbers between 6 and 10. See students, 6 and 10. The question is asking 6 and 10. In between 6 and 10 you have to find the numbers. Then you see 6 and 10 I blocked. Then which number you can see? That is 7, 8, 9. 7, 8 and 9. So these are the numbers in between 6 and 10. Understood students? So we can write 7, 8, 9 are sitting between 6 and 10. Understood students? So between 6 and 10, 7, 8, 9 are there. Understood students? So these are numbers called numbers between. Okay? So this example we can write in another way. If I write 6 dash 10. Okay? 6 here and 10. There 6 and 10. What are the numbers I can put in between 6 and 10? So for write down the between numbers, I said before, we have to count forward. So from left side 6 is given, 7, 8, 9. So 7, 8, 9 are the between numbers 6 and 10. Understood students? So these are called 7, 8, 9 are between numbers. These are the between numbers. Understood students? So these are the, by this way we can identify the between numbers or numbers between. Understood? So student, I hope all of you understood. So let's give more example, last example, that is example 2. Find between numbers here 11 dash 15. Okay, and these are the, there is no given any number tree. Okay, so how we can identify the between numbers? Okay, here 11 is given. So I told you between number is asking. So we have to count forward. So 11, 12, 13, 14, then 15 will come. So you are counting, we are going forward by counting numbers 11, 12, 13, 14. So 11, 12, 13, 14 are the numbers between 11 and 15. So we can write 12, 13, 14 are sitting, they are sitting between 11 and 15. 11 and 15. Understood students? I hope all of you understood. So this is about rule about numbers between. So if number strip is given, if question will ask find out the numbers between, then easily we can find out the numbers between by counting forward. Okay students, I hope all of you understood properly. So thank you very much students. Take care.